Now children, since we are done with exercise 9C, we will be now moving to exercise 9D. So I will write down exercise 9. Okay. So we'll look at the question number 1. So clearly children, this exercise is going to be a revision one. So we'll be trying to do as fast as possible. Okay. So what is there in question number 1 children? Question number 1, you have to find x and y. So you have been given two matrices on left hand side and the right hand side, and you need to find out the value of x and y. So clearly question of this type we have done already. So question number 1 you can be taking as homework. I don't think it needs any explanation as well. Now we will be moving on to question number 2. So question number 2 looks like a little different one. So we will be doing that. So they are asking what find x and y if. So the thing is 3x and 8. And then here you are having what? Here you are having 1, 3 and 4, 7. Okay. And this is minus 3 into 2 and minus 7 is equal to 5, 3 and 2y. So this is what is there. So what you will be doing now children, first you have to see to it that what will be the order of the matrix that you are getting on multiplication. So here the order is 1 into 2, here it is 2 into 2. So clearly the matrix that you are going to get is 1 into 2 matrix. And now we will do what? We will be moving towards multiplying both of them. So what you will be getting? You will be getting 3x into 1 plus 8 into 3, and here you will be getting what? 3x into 4 plus 8 into 7. Into 7. Okay, and then minus you have what? Minus you have 6 and then minus 21, and this is equal to, when you multiply this, here you are getting what? 15, and then here you are getting 10y. Okay. So now what you will be doing children, we will be moving on to the next thing. We will be just seeing that what are the values we are getting upon multiplication. So we will be just writing that down. So write down, this is equal to, this implies 3x into 1 will be equal to how much children? It is understood that it will be equal to 3x only. So write down 3x plus 24, and on the other side you will be having how much? 12x plus 56. Plus 56, and minus here you have what? Here you have already written 6 and minus 21, and this is equal to 15 and 10y. Okay. So this implies, write down 3x plus 24 minus 6, and this is equal to 12x plus 56 minus 21 is plus 21. Okay, and this is equal to 15 and then 10y. Okay, so this implies what? 3x plus 18. So write down 3x plus 18 on this side, and on this side you will be having 12x plus 77, and this is equal to 15, and here we have 10y. So we will be now equating both of them. So what are we getting now? Write down, this implies 3x plus 18 is equal to 15, of course. Okay, so what is the value of 3x? 3x will be equal to minus 3. So the value of x that we will be getting is minus 1. And what about y children? We are getting 12x plus 77 is equal to 10y. So write down 12x plus 77 is equal to 10y. So x is how much? Minus 1. So minus 1 into 12 plus 77 is equal to 10y. Okay. So now what you will be just solving. So write down, this implies minus 12 plus 77 is equal to 10y. So this further implies that 10y is equal to 65. So the value of y will be equal to 6.5. Okay. So these are the values that you are getting, that x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 6.5. Okay, so these are the two values that you are getting. We will be now moving to question number 3, children. So what is there in question number 3, students? See, question number 3 says if x and y is equal to 25. Okay, so there are two questions which are there, so they are all interrelated. So we will be just solving this, children. Find the value of x and y if x and y belong to whole numbers and if xy belongs to integer. Okay, then what you will be writing now? See, we will be solving this. So write down xy and here write down x and y, and this is equal to 25. So if we have to solve this, children, how much we will be getting? This, both of them, this is of the order 2 into 1 and this is of the order 1 into 2. So the resultant matrix that we will be getting will be of the order 1 into, okay, see, this is of the order 1 into 2 and this is of 2 into 1. So the resultant matrix will be of the order 1 into 1, means there will be a single element. So what will be that, children? This is x square plus y square is equal to 25. So this is what you are getting. We will be now moving to the other equation which is there on the right hand side. So it is minus xy. And then it is being multiplied to 2x and y is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this implies what? This implies minus 2x square plus y square is equal to minus 2. Now what you will be writing, children? See, there are two things that you are getting. So the first condition that they are asking is you have to find out the value of x and y if it is a whole number. Okay, so clearly, children, for us to solve this is not easy because both of them are in the square form. Okay, so for solving in the square form, children, there are two ways that can be done. So in the one way, if it is possible, you can solve, and if it is not, if you are not able to solve this, then what you will be doing, you have to take that as assumption. Okay, so what can you be taking as assumption, children? So if you see here, this is x square plus y square is equal to 25, and there you are having minus 2x square, okay, plus y square is equal to minus 2. So can this be solvable, children? If we just see, if we are just subtracting this, so this becomes plus and this becomes plus. So y square is getting cancelled. Here you are getting what? 3x square is equal to 27. So what is the value of x? So write down, this implies x square is equal to 27 upon 3, which is equal to 9. So the value of x will be equal to plus minus 9. Sorry, plus minus 3, not 9. Okay, and if you now replace this value to find out the value of y, what you are getting, that x square plus y square is equal to 25. So this implies that, see, x is plus minus 3. So plus minus 3 square is, x square is 9. So write down 9 plus y square is equal to 25. So y square is equal to 16. So the value of y that you are getting is equal to plus minus 4. Okay, so these are the values that you are getting. So what you will be writing down now, children? You will be writing down that the value of x is plus minus 3, and for y, the value that we are getting is equal to plus minus 4. Now for the first sub question, they are asking what? That you have to find the value of x and y if x and y belong to whole number. So if they belong to whole numbers, clearly, children, the value of x will be equal to 3 and y will be equal to 4. Why? Because the whole number does not include any negative numbers. So these are the values that you are getting. And what happens when it happens to be an integer? Then x will be equal to plus minus 3 and y will be equal to plus minus 4. Alright. So this is the way this question has to be done. Okay. So here you can clearly see that what are the things that you are taking into account, children. You are just solving it in the normal way, but at the end what you are doing, you are just seeing that whatever condition is being satisfied, you are writing the answers according to that. Okay, and now what we'll be doing, we'll be moving to question number 4, children. In given has been given, write the order and the matrix. Write the order of matrix X and the matrix X. So this is also an easy one, children. You know already how to do this. So in question number 4, I'll be telling you how to do the first part, children, because order of matrix finding out is little bit tricky. So what you will be writing, 2 minus 3, 1 and 4, and this is being multiplied to X. And this is giving me what? 7 and 6. Okay, so clearly what you can see here, children, the order of this matrix is 2 into 2 and the order of this matrix is what? This is 2 into 1. Okay, so now what you will be seeing here, children, you will be seeing here that according to the law, not exactly law, if we want that multiplication takes place, then what is my prime condition? Whatever is the number of column of the first matrix, that should be the number of row of second matrix. So the first will be 2. And what about into? So here you can see the other number is 2 and here the other number is 1. So here it will be 2 into 1. Okay. So the order of matrix X you are getting is 2 into 1. Okay. So now what you will be writing, and then there is, yeah, so this is the way you will be doing. And then the other way, that the second sub question is what? You need to find out the matrix X. So if 2 into 1, children, then what will be the matrix like? So X matrix will be looking like this. So you will be taking this as A and B, and then you can just replace the values. You can just write down like this, children. 2 minus 3, 1 and 4, and this when it is being multiplied to A and B, so this is equal to 7, 6. Now that you know how to multiply the things, you can easily find out the value of A and B. Okay, so second sub question I'll be giving you as homework. Now we'll be moving to question number 5, children. That's a trigger question again. So how are you going to do this? I'll let you know. So this is question number 5. Okay, so here you have been given cos 45. Okay, so in the bracket write down cos 45 degrees root 2 into cos 0 degree. Okay, and here you are getting what? Sin 30 degrees, and here you are getting sin 0 degree, and in the other bracket you are having sin 45 degree, cos 90 degree, and then sin 90 degree, and then cot 45 degree. Okay, these are the things which are there. So write down how much is cos 45 degree, children. Cos 45 degree, if you remember, is equal to 1 upon root 2. So we'll be taking this as a, first we'll be writing down and then I'll be doing the bracket. 1 upon root 2, and then sin 30 is equal to half. Cos 0 is equal to how much, children? 1. So root 2 into 1. And then sin 0 is equal to 0. So this is there in one bracket, and in the other bracket I'll be having sin 45 is equal to how much, children? Sin 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. And then cos 90 is equal to 0. Sin 90 is equal to 1. And cot 45 is again equal to 1. And then now you are just going to multiply this thing. So what you will be writing, this is equal to, write down 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2 plus half into 1. Okay, and here what you are getting, 1 upon root 2 into 0 and half plus half into 1. So then what you are going to get, root 2 into 1 upon root 2 plus 0 into 1, then root 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1. So this in turn is equal to what, children? Now look into this. How much is 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2? This is equal to half plus half. 1 upon root 2 into 0 is 0. Okay. Plus half. Then this 2 gets cancelled. So 1 plus 0 is 1. And then here you are having root 2 into 0 is 0. Plus 0 into 1 is again 0. So how much you are getting, children? Half plus half is equal to 1. So this is 1, half, 1 and 0. So this is the matrix that you are getting. Okay. So this is the way sub question 5 has to be done. Moving on to question number 6, children. Okay. So I'll just erase this part. So in question number 6, they have given what, children? They have given if A is equal to this, B is equal to this, 3A into M is equal to, find the matrix M. So this is very easy, children. They have given 3A into M is equal to 2B. So for solving this, what you will be doing? First you will be finding out 3A. So clearly 3A will be 3 into 0, 4, minus 1 and minus 3. Okay, and matrix M you are taking as M, and this is being 2 into B matrix has been given as minus 5 and 6. So now what you can be doing? First you will be just calculating this, okay, whatever, and then first you will be finding out that what will be the order of matrix M. So once you are finding out the order of matrix M, then you can easily find out the answer, children. Okay, you will be taking as AB, or if it is 2 into 1 matrix, or AB if it is 1 into 2 matrix. Okay. Sorry, this is 2 into 1 matrix. No, children, sorry. This is 1 into 2 matrix and this is 2 into 1 matrix. Okay. So question number 6 I'll be marking as homework, children, because this looks like an easy one. We'll be now moving to question number 7. Okay, so here if this plus this is equal minus this is equal to this much, find the value of ABC. So clearly, children, you can be able to do this question as well, because here everything has been given, only addition part is there. So I don't think this must be a difficult one. So question number 7 also you can be taking as homework. Okay, now in 8 what you are having, children? So you must be seeing, children, that the sums of the type question number 8 has been repeatedly given all the time, and in all these type of questions you have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS, or you have to prove, or you have to check that whether whatever you are getting in sub question 1 is equal to whatever you are getting in sub question 2 or not. Okay, so what you will be writing? See, the matrix A has been given as 1, 2, 2, 1, and B has been given as 2, 1, 1, 2. Very much similar. So first you will be finding the first sub question is A, that is being multiplied by BA. So what you will be doing first, children? First you will be multiplying. See, in this case what you will be doing? You will be writing B into A is equal to. So you have to remember, children, that when you are writing B into A, you are taking this form, and then you are multiplying A, so you will be writing like this. Okay, so in this way you will be finding out BA, and whatever the resultant you are getting, you are going to multiply that by A. Okay, so in this way you will be getting this, and for the second sub question, so you have been writing like this AB, and then you are going to multiply this by B. Okay, so this means what, children? A into B will be 1, 2, 2, 1, and then this you will be multiplying by 2, 1, 1, 2. So this is going to be your A into B, and once you are multiplying this, after that you will be multiplying that by B. So you have to remember that, children, in these type of questions, what is more important is for you to understand that the order of writing down the matrix and multiplying is very important, because else you will be getting wrong answer, because A into B is never equal to B into A in the case of matrices. So this you have to remember. Okay, so question number 8 also you will be taking as homework, children. That is also an easy one. We will be now moving to the next question, that is question number 9. So in question number 9, the question says find x and y if the condition has been given. Okay, so write down. So this is x, this is y, this is 3x and 4y. And this is being multiplied by 2, 1, and then what am I getting is 5 and 12. Okay, so here what you will be doing, children, first we will be seeing that what is the order of matrix and all, and then we will be looking into it. So clearly if you see here, the order of this particular matrix is what? This is of the order 2 into 2. See. And this matrix is of the order 1 into 2. So the resultant matrix, is it of the order 1 into 2, children? Okay. So is this multiplication possible, children? We'll just look into question once to see what is there. Okay. So yes. So this is of the order 2 into 1, and this is of the order, the number of rows is 2 of course and 1. Yes, of course the multiplication is possible. So your resultant matrix will be of which order, children? It will be of the order 2 into 1. Means number of rows will be 2 and columns will be 1. So we'll be just now multiplying this to get what? You will be getting like this: x into 2 plus 3x into 1. And then y into 2 plus 4y into 1. And this is equal to 5 and 12. So this implies what? 2x plus 3x. And here you are getting 2y plus 4y. Okay. And this is equal to 5 and 12. So write down, this implies 5x and 6y is equal to 5 and 12. So this implies 5x is equal to 5 and 6y is equal to 12. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Easy ones. So this is the way you will be doing the sum. Always remember, children, that before performing multiplication, first check that whether multiplication is possible also or not. If it is possible, then only go for solving, or else you can simply write that since the multiplication is not possible, so this question you won't be able to do. So that is also fine. Okay. And then we will be now moving to what? We will be now moving to the next question, that is question number 10. So in question number 10, now if matrix x is equal to this and 2x is equal to 3y is equal to this, find the matrix x and find 2x minus 3y is equal to this. Okay, so they have given the x in the form of multiplication of two matrix, children. Okay, so write down what is given. So this is question number 10. See, x has been given as minus 3, 2, 4, 3 and then 2 into 2, 2 into minus 2. So here the order is 2 into 2, here the order is 2 into 1. So of course the multiplication is possible and the resultant matrix will be of the order 2 into 1. So we'll be just multiplying both of them, children. What are we going to get? We are going to get, see, minus 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2, and here what you are going to get, 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2. And then what you will be writing down, how much is this equal to? So this is going to be equal to minus 6 minus 8 is minus 14. And here write down, this implies 2 minus 6 is minus, okay, so here this is, children, 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 2. So how much is this? Have I written anything wrong? Okay, this is minus 3, children. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. So this is the matrix X that I am getting. Now what is my condition? My condition is 2x minus 3y is equal to 10 and minus 8. So this will imply what, children? In place of x, write down the matrix X. So write down 2 into minus 14, 10 is equal to minus 3y, of course. 10 and minus 8. So this implies what? Write down minus 28, 20 minus 3y is equal to 10 and minus 8. So this implies what? So this implies minus 28 and 20 minus 3y is equal to 10 and minus 8. So this implies 3y is equal to minus 28, 20 and then minus 10 and minus 8. Okay. So just erase this. How much you are getting? This implies 3y is equal to minus 28 minus 10 will be how much, children? This is going to be minus 38. And minus 20 minus 8 is going to be how much? This is going to be, just a second children, the pen I'll have to see. Okay. So this is our question number 10. Yes, this is question number 10. I'll just cross check with that. Okay. So here you are getting 20 minus 8 is 28. 20 plus 8, that is 28. So what will be y equal to, children? There are two ways in which you can write. So I just saw your textbook. In the answer they have given, right, minus 38 and 28. So you can write like this, and even if in case you are writing like this, minus 38 upon 3, not by, children, there is a mistake I have done, by, this is not by, okay, and or else minus 28 upon 3, like this also if you are writing, that is also right. Okay, so this way you will be doing. We'll be now moving to question number 11, children. So in question number 11, what has been asked? See, question number 11 says, see, given A is equal to this much, B is equal to C this much. So this is very easy, children. They have given A plus X is equal to 2B plus C. Okay, so how much will, everything has been given, you just have to replace the value to find out the answer, children. I don't think you need an explanation for this as well. So question number 11 is going to be your homework. Okay, we'll be now moving to question number 12. So in question number 12, the question is what? See, find the value of x given a square is equal to b. So a square will be equal to what, children? Clearly it will be equal to a into a. So what you will be writing? You will be writing 2, 0, 12, 1 and then 2, 0, 12, 1. So this you will be multiplying. Okay. Whatever you are getting, that you will be equating with b, that is 40x1. So this is also an easy one, children. You can easily now equate to find out the value of x. The only thing that you have to take care in your mind, children, is that whatever values and symbols that you are taking, not the values but the symbols, should be right, and else you will be losing marks, because rest of the things are very much similar and easy. Okay, moving on to question number 13, children. If A is equal to this much, B is equal to this much, and I is the identity matrix of the same order, AT is the transpose of matrix. Okay, so see, A has been given as how much? 2, 1, 5, 3. So what will be 80, children? Transpose of A will be equal to 2, 1, 5 and 3. Okay. Will this be there? Yes, this is what is there. 2, 1, 5, 3. And now you have to find out what? See, they have given 80 plus I, and the value of I will be equal to what, children? 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So then 80 into B, will you be able to find out 80 into B, children? Yes, you will be able to. This will be equal to 2, 1, 5, 3, and this is being multiplied to what? B has been given as 4 minus 1 minus 2 and 3. So how much is this going to be equal to? 2 into 4 is 8, children. So this is 8 minus 1. Okay, and then here you will be getting 2 into 2 is minus 4, and then 1 into 3 is plus 3, then 5 into 4 is 20 minus 3, and here you will be getting minus 6 plus 9, not minus 6, children, sorry, See, this is what I am saying, silly mistakes. Minus 10 plus 9. Okay, so how much will be this? This is going to be 7, 17 minus 1 minus 1. So this is 80 into B. And now what will be B into I equal to, children? B into I, it will be equal to, you already know that B into I will always be equal to B only. This is the property. So this will be equal to what? 4, 1. 4 minus 1 minus 2, 3. The same thing you are getting. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to add up both of them. So what you will be writing, transpose of A multiplied by B plus B into I will be equal to what? This will be equal to 717, okay, minus 1 plus, see, this is 4 minus 1 minus 2 and 3. So when you add them up, how much you are getting, children? 7 plus 4 is 11, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, 17 minus 1 is 16, minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So 11, 16 minus 3 and 2. So this is the thing. Alright, so rest of the questions, children, we will be looking into the next session. Alright, thank you, students.